Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. Good evening. This is evening of 18th of January 23. So we are going to do end of the day review and look at some of our trades as they are running. So we have this is S&P 500, and as I told you, we have some resistance coming in at 4040 and 50 kind of range. And this trend line, the vertical trend line that we have, the horizontal trend line that we have really worked out. If you see, it took resistance there almost and has a very sharp rejection. If you look at it on the smaller time frame, we were hovering around this area. We made a high, and then exactly from the same area, there is a rejection which came in, a very sharp rejection, this candle and then follow-up candle, and there was some move here but it fizzled out. I took a long position here today thinking that there will be an attempt upside. It didn't, and we closed at the low of the day. So this is a negative price action as well. I have created a small short position in S&P 500 using micro futures, and my stop will be a daily close above 4034. So basically that's the short position I have created. I am expecting this to go further down, say 50-60 points, where I will cover it, and that's where we will reach the support zone. As per price action, this candle is bearish, so I'm just trading this thinking that this will go further down, but I will cover my shorts somewhere around 3920, 3913, which was a very strong support, and we are still trading above all three key pivot 1, 2, and 3. So we may, this is area, 3914, 3900 will be a very strong support. Let's see how this plays out. Now, some of our, this is basically S&P 500. We'll quickly look at RDY, Russell 2000. So basically this resistance again it played out here also. This rally fizzled out third time. So this is basically a triple top kind of formation. We may move towards 1840, 19, 1820 kind of a range, and that is possibility. So all three indices have really not similar kind of structure. This is rejection on Dow. Dow was hanging on to this massive gain it made in October, and it's after that it was completely sideways. Now this is a rejection candle, and the new up move will start only if we close above this 34,450 level. We have a daily close here that will resume some kind of an uptrend, but there are still resistances, but that is what it is. Now we quickly look at Apple. So on Apple, a rejection candle again. Are we completely bearish? No, we are not. We are actually becoming bullish here. So mixed signal, this is area typically an area where bulls and bears will fight it out very hard. We may chop around here, we may make some hard. It's difficult to say, we'll just follow the price structure. The beauty of Saral system is that we don't have to make any decisions on where the market is going. We will follow the market where it is going. So this is one. Apple, I'm still holding my longs. My longs are completely hedged, so I don't have a big risk here. Now, some of our trades which were in frustrating range have started working out. Now, this was KMB. KMB, I mean, almost our option is worthless. It was worthless, gained some value today. There was a sharp rejection after very massive distribution. So this was basically distribution. It has broken out. Now this may further fall down to 125 kind of a range, 125, 128 kind of a range where it has some support, but almost took out the complete complete range for 30, and we I'm still holding. I mean, there may be a sharp fall. Let's see what happens. But I also had a short position in cash, so that I will book that. KO, Coca-Cola, a complete breakdown on structure. Our options that I gave to all my subscribers have almost doubled. We'll exit this tomorrow if we get a good close. Then we have Honeywell. No, Honeywell. Yeah, which one is there? KMB Mondelez. So Mondelez again, frustrating structure, very narrow range structure. I told you that if this closes above this level on daily, we will exit. And we got this breakdown. This was distribution. Let's see if there is follow-up selling tomorrow, and we'll get out. So all these three trades, KO, KMB, seem to be working. I initiated some new shorts today after hours. One is GE. I think that GE is getting into a breakdown structure. We may see a fall here to 60, 69, 69 kind of a range. Let's see how this plays out. It's a very good resistance area here. Here the resistance was there. And then I also shorted oil and gas company Valero. So Valero I shorted this in cash. Because these can go into consolidation. Looks like a classic deep distribution pattern to me. So they have made a life high. I mean, last 2 years high, and then they are going sideways. If this can sharply break down, to the previous lows of 97. Let's see how this goes. So these are two new shorts. We added a long position in New York Commercial Bank. That position is intact. We will see some move towards the pivots, and then we'll see, how we shape this trade shapes up. BBD, Brazilian Bank, Banco Bradesco. Again, nothing much happening, consolidating, whether it's accumulation or distribution, difficult to say. Uh, we'll see how this plays out. If this breaks out of this area, we will quickly see 30 to 40 points move. I mean, 0.30 to 0.40 kind of a move on this stock. Guys, this is not a penny stocks. It's a large cap from Brazil. It trades is an ADR. So don't think it's a penny stock kind of a thing. Then we'll see Neo. Neo again not able to break out. Uh, Tried, and again this action. We may head lower from here, and we'll see how this plays. But as of now, all three pivots. It was price was trying to trade above all three pivots, and it's unable to break above. So this price action, if you closely look at, looks negative. We may head lower, but we still have a lot of time. We have June options, we June calls, so we have enough time to adjust our trades. We'll see Dominion. So Dominion is slowly moving up. Last 2 days it's given red candles, still above the the key pivots, taking resistance as pivot 3. Let's see how it goes. I am bullish on this. This setup will break only when we get a reversal signal on Searle 2. Wheat. Tried his bullish price setup at the support, went up, took resistance as at pivot level 2, and closed negative today. We have Corn. Corn made a good move yesterday, and it didn't get the follow-up move. It went with the markets. I think wheat went down, so it also went down. I have a position in micro options here, a long position here. Um, then we covered BBD. Let's see if we have any other trade here. Valero, UNG, Intel. Intel, again, there is a reaction at the breakout level. It was expected that it will break out above from here. It didn't break out. It is coming down. Uh, let's see, this is a very strong support area. Hopefully, it will hold this. These are June options that we bought, so will have enough time to adjust. If the market suddenly falls, I think we will find support at 27, 28 kind of a range. Let's see how this plays out. Overall, we have covered almost all these stocks we were looking at. Where we have a trade. Let me see if there is anything uh, left. Some of the emerging market stocks, if you see, we will quickly see Infosys. This is a large services company, and this had a bullish signal here. It went up and it's fizzling out. I gave a I gave a alert on Visio as well in one of my last videos. So Visio, again, the price action is bullish. It has gone down with the market. Looks like if it goes up, it will first target will be 9.44, right? So we'll quickly look at Tesla. Tesla has closed above the key pivot 2, which is the benchmark for us to go long, and there is a negative candle here. But overall price, it is getting bullish. It may go down further, chop around for the area. It has to be in favor. It has to be in line with S&P 500 for us to initiate a trade. So if S&P 500 falls, we will wait for the right signal, and when S&P 500 becomes bullish and we get our signal in Tesla and a setup in Tesla, then we'll go long. Quickly looking at Amazon. Amazon had a sharp rally. It is finding major supply at this area. Look at these two big supply candles, this and this and then this. This is a very big supply area with a big gap. So this is a emotional area. We will chop around here. We are not going up in a hurry. It will chop around. Nobody is in a hurry as well. So we'll see how this action percolates. We'll wait for the right entry. It is in a bullish zone, guys. It is definitely we will wait for the signal to come in. So Apple, Tesla, Amazon, we will quickly see at Nvidia. Nvidia also, yeah, let's see, is finding resistance. This is an area which is of huge resistance here. So either it has to give a signal, it has to come down and then give us a signal to go long, and then we play it and we take partial profits here and then wait for a breakout, or it breaks out and then stabilizes and then we take a trade. We'll quickly look at Baba. So Baba has given first red day after, I mean, this is kind of an exhaustion kind of a signal, and also right at the supply zone, previous supply zone, the gap, it has taken a red signal, a reversal kind of a candle. Let's see how this plays out. So guys, if you want to cover any other stock, do let me know. You can visit us as www.saraltrader.com and we can take it up from there. Thanks. Bye bye. And please do subscribe to our channel and watch our live stream daily. Thanks.